Jinan Dowell Laser is a national high-tech enterprise. It's a Shandong provincial specialized new enterprises in 2022. The company is dedicated to research and development, production, sales of CNC laser automatic processing equipment. Since the company was founded, after 13 years of development, has 30 experienced R&D personnel, technical production personnel, 130, 20,000 square meters of production base, located in Science Technology Advance, Management Standard Qihe High-Tech Development Zone. Here is also a beautiful environment, outstanding technology ecological city. Dowell Laser as the international leading laser processing system integrator. Products covering optical fiber laser cutting machine, laser pipe cutting machine, laser cleaning machine, laser welding machine, laser cladding machine, etc. In the increasingly fierce market competition, Dowell Laser fully absorbed the international advanced concept in the field of laser. Various departments are closely together, independently developed a series of laser processing equipment. Dowell Laser adopts the latest photoelectricity, machine integration technology solution so that its performance, precision, and appearance have achieved a perfect combination, forming a complete category. Diverse functional product architecture to meet different levels of customer requirements. Dowell Laser equipment main components are using the world-famous brand. Manufacturing technology advanced and perfect, science and specification. The company full series of products have passed the ISO 9001, CE, FDA, and other domestic and international quality certification. The company based on North China, in Central China, South China, East China, and Northwest China, set up multiple marketing service points. Products are exported to the United States, Canada, Brazil, Russia, Italy, Southeast Asia, and other more than 60 countries and regions. With the continuous launch of new products and new technologies, new customers and new orders at home and abroad are coming in continuously. High quality is our eternal pursuit. Customer first is our eternal belief. Honesty is our eternal original aspiration. Dowell Laser is willing to unremitting efforts, together with local and overseas clients, to create a brilliant tomorrow.